This tutorial will walk you through copying a single item or multiple items within a location or project into the same project or a different project. To copy a single item, go to Project Specifications and enter the project you wish to copy the item from. Highlight the item to copy, then click on the Tree View tab found in the upper left area of your window. Select the Copy button at the bottom of the screen. If you wish to copy the item to another location within the same project, highlight that location, then select the Paste button. To copy the item into another project, change the project at the top to the New Project, highlight the project name or a location, and select Paste. A warning will appear to confirm that you wish to paste the data that you've copied. Select Yes. You will now see your copied item underneath the location you pasted it to on the Tree and Item View tabs. If you wish to copy all items in an entire location or project, highlight the location or the project to copy from. Then select Copy. Change the project to the one that you wish to paste these items into. Highlight the project header, then select Paste. Confirm that you wish to paste the items by selecting Yes. And once again, you will now see the items from the copied location or project on the Tree and Item View tabs. To review more tutorials and search our knowledge base articles, please visit our Help Center under the Support menu of DesignManager.com.